ma'am.
And when I say nuggets, we say yes, nuggets. Nuggets?
Yes, nuggets.
Okay, so before we start our discussion, let's have first a review from your previous lesson because you talked about work. When we say work, it is related to energy. Now, when can we say that naay work? When can we say that naay work? If naay force na apply o naay displacement sa object. For example, a girl is doing a work. Diba? Naay force na exert and naay displacement sa object. Now, when can we say that no work is done? Yes, very good. If there is a force but no displacement sa object. Now, I want you to familiarize this word. Okay, magamit na lang as we go along with our discussion. For example, this picture. So, I will present different pictures. And all you need to do is clap once if you think the picture shown possesses energy. And clap twice if you think the picture shown does not possess energy. Nuggets?
Yes, nuggets.
And before you clap your answer, may mo sa to 3, go! Yung numero 3, go! Di na pa mo clap. Kasagot?
Yes.
Okay. Let's start with the first picture. A man is running early in the morning. Then 3, go! A boy riding a bicycle. Then 3, go! A girl sitting on a tip. Then 3, go! A moving car. Then 3, go! Last. A boy with a bow. 3, go! Now the question. How can you say that it possesses energy and how can you say that it does not possess energy? Based on ipakita ng mga picture na makainuman mo na siya energy o buwa siya energy. Nay? Movement? Why movement? Sige. Before na natin correct ang inyong answer, look at this first bit, our main topic today. So, we're going to talk about the potential and kinetic energy. And for our learning objectives, can you please read everyone?
Potential and kinetic energy. Differentiate potential and kinetic energy. Cite examples of potential and kinetic energy.
At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define what is potential and kinetic, differentiate kinetic and potential, and cite some examples. Nuggets.
Yes, nuggets.
So before we discuss, let's have first our group activity entitled Energy in Your Group. So the mechanics for this group, for this activity, rather, the class will be divided into groups, and each group will have different scenarios. The students will carefully observe the given scenario. So I have here objects as well as printed pictures, and you have scenario. Then all you need to do is work with your group and answer the following question. In answering the question, I provided a reading selection for you to be guided. And after answering the question, choose one representative to demonstrate or share your answer in front of the class. And sa pag-answer nito, okay na siya bilang ang pataas-taas, mas better siya o straight to the point lang siya. And for representative, hindi naman rin yung mapili. All you need to do is to read your scenario and then diretso ng answer kahit ako rin mabasa sa question. And you will be given 2 minutes for this activity. Kaya ba? If di kaya, magpulutag 1 minute. So for the groupings, this will be Kabo de Malay, grupo.
why does it belong to the type of energy? So, for me, for me, mo siya ma-stretch kasi na naaman siya yung gusto sa na-stretch. Yes, ma'am. Because the rubber band is
Everyone.
because the rubber band is expanding to small
How about the group 2? Second group. So since ang nasa scenario is book on the shelf, you want my shelf, so how about this going to be changed? Book on the table na lang.
So our scenario is we put on a table. So is the energy potential net potential? So why does it belong to that type of energy? Wala man siya ano ba, the rest from ang energy. Does the energy change? No. Wala may
Next group. After may confirm Mother. Iko? Kaya lang eh. Yung trace.
Go, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Go na, ma'am. Ma'am, si talangin pa with hi, ma'am. With hi, ma'am. Ay, ganun talangin pa. Kapag niya, ma'am.
Why does it belong to the type of energy? For us monkeys, because the fan is moving and has energy in motion. Then, is energy changing form? Yes. Yes, because the fan is spinning.
Next group.
Sarap yung te.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
A swinging pendulum. 1. Exert energy, potential energy, or kinetic energy. Whereas kinetic energy. Why does it belong to the type of energy? Because it's moving. As energy changing form. If yes, think how. Moment there is a force of stopping in which the pendulum changes direction. which is potential energy to kinetic energy.
Okay, last group. Rolling ball. Asa na lang yung guys?
It's the energy, potential energy, or kinetic energy. The energy of the rolling ball is kinetic energy. Why does it belong to the type of energy? Because the ball is in motion while rolling. Is energy changing form? Yes, because there's a change in energy or speed while rolling.
Okay, thank you. Then, give yourselves a round of applause. Now let's try to confirm your answer. Let's now proceed to the discussion. We're going to define
Potential and kinetic.
what is potential energy. Please read everybody. When we say potential energy, it is the energy at rest. How about kinetic energy? Please read everybody. When we say kinetic energy naman, it is the energy in motion. So kadtong mga picture nga ako gipakita kanina, katutanan na ato yung energy. Unsa nga energy? Potential and kinetic energy. Energy in, at rest, and in motion. Nagets? Now let's proceed to the key differences of potential and kinetic. Let's start with the potential energy. It cannot be transferred from one body to another body or kinetic energy. What does it mean now? I mean, the potential energy. What does it mean? It means that potential energy is energy stored in an object due to its position or shape. You cannot directly pass that stored object, that stored energy rather, to another object. For example, a stretch rubber band. A stretch rubber band cannot transfer its energy unless imo siyang i-release. Diba? Night transformation of energy. And also we have factors affecting potential energy. We have mass and height. Potential energy increases as mass and height increases. So based on the first picture, try to observe the first picture. Then mass is weak. So what do you think is the factor affecting the energy dinhaan? Everyone? Unsa man yung factor na naka-affect ana sa energy dinhaan sa example? Mass? Height. Very good. The higher an object from the ground, the more potential energy it holds. How about the second picture? Okay, very good. The heavier the object, the more potential energy it holds. Releasing potential energy, it cannot be. P depends on what? Factors. Okay, mass and the higher the object, the more potential energy. The heavier the object, the more. Okay, very good. kinetic energy. It can be transferred from one body to another. Meaning what? Means that a moving object, the energy of a moving object can transfer its energy to another object. For example, a flowing river. Sa energy nga nasa dira. Okay, kinetic. So, di ba sa river na may bato? When the water pushes the rock, it transfers its energy to the rock, causing the rock to move. Di ba? Also, the factors affecting kinetic energy, we have mass and speed or velocity. Kinetic energy increases as speed and mass increases. Try to observe the second picture. That's the example of kinetic energy. The faster an object moves, the more kinetic energy it holds. It has rather. When we say kinetic energy, it cannot be. P depends on mass and speed. The faster an object moves, the more the kinetic energy. Now try to look at this first picture. First picture lang sa web, potential energy. And then potential energy transforming energy into kinetic energy. Everybody, listen, listen up. So the question is, asa mo ang greatest potential energy din sa kuan? First position, asa niya greatest potential energy? Nasa ibaw. Asa? Barang position. Very good. How about the second position? Asa mo niya maximum kinetic energy? So, boss, pag siya asan to, boss, pag siya nanas sa air ang bola, before pamahit ang bola, or nahit na din ang bola? How about the second picture? Asa niya greatest potential energy? Nasa ibaw. How about the increasing kinetic energy? Asa? Energy out. Okay, very good. Nine transferring of energy. How about this? As we depend on asa mo na yung greatest potential energy? Nga? Asa na kita? Asa nag-swing mo na? Asa mo nakita sa position sa pag-swing? At the highest point of the swing. Ha? Dihang yung greatest potential energy. Ang iyang maximum kinetic energy asa ng cord? At the lowest point of the swing. Night transformation of energy. Night transferring energy. Another example sa inyong program, sa iwan mo. Kung sabi ka nabahagan, di ba? Position ko man mo basta walay music. Potential energy. Now, di ba, start sa music, di ba start sa move. So, na-ay kinetic energy. Na-ay transformation of energy. Magets na? Nasakta na. Potential energy, nasa siya? Energy at rest. Kinetic energy? Emotion. Potential energy cannot be. Kinetic energy can be. Okay, factors affecting potential energy. Mass and height. How about kinetic energy? Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to our activity of red flag and or green flag. Now, palihog buha sa inyong mga flag. Ganyan naging kuha ko na una. Under your armchair, palihog buha. Palihog buha. Nanananan? So in this activity, I will.
Siguro sa
Wala ka? Yes, wait for. Nanananan? So I will be presenting different statement. All you need to do is to raise green flag if the statement Everybody, focus up. Everybody, focus up. Ay, before that, before ninyo i-isa ang inyong flag, i-isa ang flag, lingon sa pag-raise your flag. Alam pa mo? Raise. Nuggets. Okay, first statement. Potential and kinetic energy depends on mass. Raise your flag. Raise isa ba? Raise your flag. Okay na, Brad. Okay. Butang. How about the second? Potential energy cannot be transformed into kinetic energy. Raise your flag. Why? Hindi, mapasunod ang potential. Wala. Diba, N1, potential. Mga ko si Parol. Diba, energy. Natransform ba yung energy? Natransform ba yung potential? How about the third? Energy can change from potential to kinetic. Raise your flag. Ano na yung red? Okay. How about the next? Kinetic energy cannot be transferred from one body to another. Raise your flag. Green. Kasi yung green. Green or red? Green or red? Okay. How about the last one? Potential energy depends on an object's position or shape. Raise your flag. Anong red? Anong red? Red or green? Pero mag-isa sa inyo, flag. Okay, very good. Level butang. Before we proceed with our quiz, palihog-pasa sa inyong mga flag to the center aisle. From the back, palihog-pasa din sa atubangan and prepare. Prepare one worksheet of paper for our quiz. Clear flags. Mark, please. Nanay papel? Okay, let's start. Please sit down. Nanay, nakasuot ng brain? Ready na? Okay. For part 1, choose the correct answer. Just write the letter. Letters only. Are you done?
Lima. Taas.
At the lowest point of the string. Part 2 is B. So that's all for today, everyone. Thank you.